Hi, I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me today. My name is Geoff Sandvik, and I'm your New York Stenograph representative. I will be doing these videos several times a year to help you learn about your current stenograph technology. Today we will be covering some fun for your Luminex or Diamante, and that is how to change the photograph on your startup screen. This photograph displays briefly when turning on your Luminex or Diamante. Here's an example of what you can put on the startup screen. I chose a field of bluebonnets, but you can choose almost any photograph in JPG file format. So over the course of the next few slides, I'm going to show you how to download and use the Splash Screen Loader utility. First, we need to download the Splash Screen utility and stock photos included in the download from the Stenograph website. So go to www.stenograph.com, select Downloads, Utilities, and Drivers. Next, scroll down the Utilities and Drivers page until you see the Luminex Diamante Wave Splash Screen Loader utility. You will need to hover over the title and then right-click on the link. You will be given an option to either save the link as or save target as. Mine happens to say Save Link As, but they both work the same. It will ask you where you want to save the files to. I usually put them on my computer's desktop, but of course you can save it to another folder on your hard drive. I just think it's easier to find them on the desktop. Anyway, once you've decided where to save it, press the Save button. It will then start saving the necessary files to a folder. This folder, named Splash Screen Loader, will have a zipper on it because the files are zipped for download. Oftentimes when the download is completed, it will launch the file manager and display the files available in the folder. If that doesn't happen, just find the zip folder, double-click on it, and it will launch the file manager so you can view the files. Once you have the file manager open, you will be able to extract the files. Just select Extract All. The next window will open, allows you to designate a directory to save the extracted files to. In this case, I'm going to save them to the desktop, so I don't need to change anything. I would just press the Extract button to let it start saving the files we're going to use. It will then start saving the necessary files to the Splash Screen folder, this time without the zipper again. The file manager usually opens automatically when the download is completed. If that doesn't happen, just find this folder and double-click on it to launch the file manager. Once the files are extracted, you can use the Splash Loader application in the unzipped Splash Screen Loader folder. Double-click on this application to open the Splash Loader utility. This is what it will look like when you launch it. This little browse button allows you to browse through the pictures on your computer to find the JPEG you want to download on your machine. You can select one of your own photographs, or you can use the Splash photographs that were downloaded using the Splash Screen Loader. The folder can be found in the same place as the application. Just double-click on the Splash Photos folder, and it will show you a variety of photos you can use. Here are some of the photos that are included in that folder. You would highlight the picture you want to use, and then select OK. It will go back to the Splash Screen Loader window. Before we press the Loader button, you must have your writer connected to your computer via the real-time cable, and it needs to be turned on, but not in a job. If you have any writing on your screen, you will need to end that job. Once that is completed, press the Load button to load that photograph you just selected onto your Luminex or Diamante. This is the screen you will get when you're successful. Now you can enjoy seeing something much more meaningful each time you turn on your machine. I hope you found this information to be useful, and I want to thank you again for taking a few moments of your day to learn more about your stenograph equipment. If you have any other stenograph needs, please feel free to email me or call me on my cell phone at 631-385-1310. My contact information is listed on this screen, and if you have any suggestions on other short videos you'd like to see, please feel free to email them to me. Take care and goodbye.